his nose. Landon.
Oh, okay, you should go. You should probably go. Oh, we're getting attacked. He's not mean, he's just hungry.
He's just hungry.
There's one right here, Landon.
His tongue keeps scratching.
Alright, we're getting surrounded.
Oh man, they're surrounding us. Really, they are. Look, there's one right here. Look, here comes one.
Hello.
He wants to see your feet, Mommy.
He's not gonna eat my feet.
That was me.
What did he do? He's getting it off the floor. Alright, you should go.
Bye-bye.
You.
Oh man.
Oh, well.